Hello, thank you for watching Mr. A's Montessori channel. The last lesson was on Color Tablet Box 1. Today we'll be on Color Tablet Box 2. The first step is to show the child how to carry Color Tablet Box 2 with both hands holding it from the ends and place it on the work area. Then name the three colors and the secondary colors in the box the same way as Color Tablet Box 1. Then place all 22 color tablets on the work area in random order one at a time by carrying it from the wooden end parts and not touching the colored part, using the thumb and index finger. Explain to the child that you will be matching the color tablets with the same colors. Start with the red tablet by finding it and placing it in front of the child. Then look at it very carefully and find the other red pair. After finding the other red pair, place it on the right of the first red pair, touching each other, and put it on top of the work area. Follow the same steps with the yellow and blue pairs and place them in a column under the red pair. Find and match the secondary colors the same way as the three main colors. Introduce the colors by name for the secondary color tablets using the 3-period lesson. The first part of the 3-period lesson is to choose 3 random color tablets and place them in front of the child. Then point to each color tablet and say "this is" and name those 3 colors. This is pink, this is purple, this is yellow. The second part of the 3-period lesson is to change the placement order of the 3 color tablets and either point to the color you ask the child or have the child place the tablets in your hands or put down on the work mat several times until the child can say the color names. The third part of the 3-period lesson is to change the placement order of the color tablets again and ask the child what color is this for each tablet. Then the child should answer the color name. Work on the next 3 color tablets after the child gets the last 3 color tablets names correct. Place the tablets back in random order on the work area and have the child repeat the activity. The purpose of this activity is to review the 3 main colors of red, yellow, and blue, and introduce the secondary colors of purple, green, orange, brown, gray, white, pink, black, in random order. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the like button.